Love to bake, love to read. Well, we're mixing both here at the Edible Books competition for 2019. Edible Books turns out some awesome entries. Each entry is judged officially, and there's also the People's Choice Award. So let's check them out and vote. Well, it's a little fat little frog. This one's very creative. It definitely gives me like kind of kids cake vibes. Oh my gosh, there's a thing inside. Ah, they're lovely bones. I'm gonna vote for my favourite entry. Oh, I don't know. So I voted for the Little Yellow Digger for my People's Choice Award because I thought that it brought back childhood memories for me about reading the book Little Yellow Digger, and I thought it was really well executed and it looked delicious. Which category are you awarding today?
Most delectable.
What are you looking for a winner in the most delectable category?
Well, it sort of goes without saying, it's going to be particularly tasty, right? So high sugar content, high lashings of fat and butter, disproportionate levels of icing to cake I think are really important for delectability, and because I don't actually get to sample them, it's a leap of faith. So it's going to be visually appealing.
So I'm here with Bruce, who has been judging which category?
Mine was most imaginative.
What are you looking for in the most imaginative category?
Basically,
no idea what's
my main criteria is a decent visual pun, something that gave it a twist.
So I'm here with Mary, who's been judging which category?
The best interpretation.
What was your main thing you were looking for?
I think what I thought was the cleverest in terms of interpretation of a book. I wasn't looking for the wittiest or the funniest, that was someone else's category. So mine was just interpretation. And the one I chose I thought was very sweet and well done.
We have some announcements for the winners of these tremendous cakes. I understand we had about 25 contributions. So the first category was most imaginative, and that was won by the case of the dancing sandwiches. The next one was most delectable, and we'll get to see if this is accurate once we taste it. And that was won by Feathers for Peacock, DEIDRE FRASER. The next one is Best Interpretation of a Book, and that is won by Lovely Bones, Steve Russell. The next is Funniest, and that is won by The Message for the Last Days, Kevin Brennan. And People's Choice, so for all those who voted, thank you, was won by Moonwalking with Einstein. And that's Karina Frangini. And the overall best in show is Little Yellow Digger. So huge congratulations to Sherelle King for her contribution there. All right. Now I understand we eat.
So that's the Edible Book competition over for another year. The hard judging part is over, so here's the easy part, the eating. I'm Emma and you've been watching The Beat.